CyberVPN is one of the most talked about VPNs on the market today, but before you make your purchase, here are 12 things you need to know to decide if it's right for you. First, while CyberVPN offers a solid service, it's important to know it's not the fastest VPN available. When compared to other top contenders like ExpressVPN and NordVPN, CyberVPN can feel a bit slower in certain regions. So if blazing speeds are your priority, you might want to keep looking. Next, CyberVPN offers a great range of servers. With over 3,000 servers in more than 90 countries, it's perfect for those who need global access. But while it's impressive, it's still behind the likes of NordVPN, which has a larger network, ensuring even more flexibility in your connections. The third thing to consider is CyberVPN's ease of use. It has a clean, straightforward interface that's beginner-friendly. Whether you're new to VPNs or a seasoned user, setting it up is a breeze. However, if you're after more advanced features, you may find it a bit too basic compared to services like ExpressVPN, which gives you more control over your settings. The fourth thing to mention is CyberVPN's pricing. It's affordable, especially if you opt for the longer subscription plans. But in comparison to others like Surfshark, CyberVPN's monthly plans can be a bit pricier. Make sure you look at your needs before committing to a yearly plan. The fifth thing is CyberVPN's streaming capabilities. It does work well with services like Netflix and Hulu, but if you're specifically into streaming international content, you might encounter occasional issues with geo-restricted content, unlike the more reliable NordVPN. Next, let's talk about CyberVPN's security. It uses AES 256 encryption, which is industry standard and very secure. However, unlike some competitors, it doesn't have as many customizable security features. So if you're looking for advanced security options, you might feel a bit limited here. Moving on to customer support, CyberVPN provides 24/7 live chat, which is a huge plus. But, based on user reviews, response times can be a little slower compared to the ultra-responsive support teams from ExpressVPN. The seventh thing to know is CyberVPN's logging policy. It offers a no-logs policy, which is essential for privacy, but it's always good to remember that not all VPNs are equally transparent. While it's better than many, some VPNs are far more upfront with their privacy audits. Next, let's talk about device compatibility. CyberVPN supports a wide variety of devices, from Windows and Mac to Android and iOS. However, some VPNs, like NordVPN, support a wider range of routers, smart TVs, and even gaming consoles, which could be a deal breaker if you need that extra flexibility. The ninth thing to know is that CyberVPN allows up to 6 simultaneous connections. This is a decent number, but when compared to services like Surfshark, which offers unlimited connections, it could feel limiting if you have a lot of devices. Next, while CyberVPN has a solid reputation, it's not as well known as its competitors, which means it doesn't have the same level of third-party reviews and audits. If you're someone who really values transparency and trust, this could be something to consider. The 11th thing is that CyberVPN works in countries with heavy censorship, like China, but it's not always as reliable as others that specialize in bypassing strict firewalls. If you need to access the internet in high-restriction countries regularly, another VPN might be more consistent. Finally, CyberVPN does offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is great if you want to try it out risk-free. But if you find that it doesn't meet your needs, be sure to check out other providers offering free trials or longer money-back guarantees. Overall, CyberVPN is a good option for casual users who want something easy to use and affordable. But if you're looking for faster speeds, more device support, and enhanced security features, we recommend you try our top solution, which offers a free trial to get started today.